Hi, I'm Annie Woods for Moms Every Day. My guest today is Candy Slider. She's a physician assistant for the Swift Urgent Clinic for Orthopedics. Thanks so much for being with us today.
Thanks for having me.
So as a mom, let's talk a little bit about why you would bring your child to Swift Urgent Clinic for any broken bones or other orthopedic issues.
Well, being a mom, I can understand and kind of relate with that fear and that anxiety factor when your kid's hurt. And all you want to do is just make them better, and we can do that. My team at Swift and myself, that's what we strive to do, giving you a quick diagnosis with the proper treatment options, and just kind of supporting everybody, including the whole family, not just the patient, through their injury.
Yeah, moms, I mean, we come in, any parent, when your child gets injured, it's terrifying. And to have a long wait sitting in a waiting room is also just adding the insult to the injury. So it's so great to know that there's a place that we can go where people are going to care and be concerned for the child maybe as much as you are. Well, thank you so much. If you'd like to learn more on this topic, you can visit us at colotv.com. Thanks for watching.